Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mount the S21 Ultra on a FeiyuTech G6Max gimbal. In the box, there comes obviously the gimbal, the tripod to go with the gimbal, a quick release adapter to help you quickly mount your smartphone or your camera onto the gimbal, and a smartphone adapter. So let me mount a tripod onto the gimbal to get it stable, get it vertically stable. And here it is. So now you would notice that this gimbal has locks on each of the axes, and there is a sliding scale which helps you position the gimbal correctly to get the balance right. So let me get it into a mounting position. Okay, so that it's here in the vertical mounting position, and these locks help it keep it steady. So this is the quick release plate, which you can press this thing in and put it in vertically, and on top of it comes this guy, the smartphone adapter. I particularly don't like this because this is spring loaded, and if your phone is a little big like the S21 Ultra, it's not very easy to put your phone in without managing to scratch the back. So I got a third party one which essentially is clamp based. I got two of them, the metal one, but it's heavier and harder to balance, so I prefer this one, which is a little easier to balance out. So let me screw that on. Once you screw this on, here you go. Okay, so that you get it mounted, you lock in the lock, and that's stable. Okay, that's it.